to a reflection paper. And so reflection paper is an output that the students need to share their knowledge, and so the purpose of product-oriented learning competencies is not only to understand the theoretical concept, but also capable of using the knowledge to real-world setting. So performance-based education is teaching method which is emphasizing students to show their emphasizing students to apply their knowledge and abilities to projects or real life settings. For example, here is the who can remember that we have a EM10 subject last year? Yes.
Yes, we remember.
Ate Cherry, can you give an example of specific topic that we discussed in here?
The theater?
Yes.
Yes. So in our subject last semester, which is the EM10, which is this is more on performance art. So in that way, our teacher gives us a task, which that is theater, whereas we need to perform on stage, and then he will facilitate us and give us feedbacks. That is performance.
So as Ate Cherry said, we have given a project which is the theater, and we have given the chance to showcase our knowledge and abilities by performing the theater act in front of the